everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have Ipsy and we actually have both. We have the little bag that is $10 and we have the big one that is $25. So we are going to be looking into this. This is the first time that I received this box and this is maybe my fourth or fifth bag, little bag. So this is 10 and this is 25. So let's open this and see what they look like. If this is your first time here, hi, I am Heidi and this channel is all about unboxings, beauty related content and fashion. So if you like that kind of content, please consider subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to this video. So what we're gonna do this time, this is my first time unboxing this and this is like my fourth time maybe with this bag. Let's unbox this one first and then we'll move to the bigger one. And I also have another product here that it was sent to me through PR, so I will let you see this one too. And it's by the brand Fresh. Here it is. It's a sugar lemon hydrating lip balm and the other one is a fresh sugar peach hydrating lip balm. And I heard so many good things about this brand. I'm very happy that they sent me this. I'll be using another one from another brand, but I definitely happy to try this one. So let's see how they look like. This is the component and look how pretty is this. This is so cute. I'm very grateful that Fresh decided to send me this. Let's smell the peach one. Oh, it smells super good. I already put a little bit on my nose. It's very soft and I like the consistency of it. And it has a very nice smell. It's super soft and it feels like very hydrating to the skin. It gave a little kind of like glowy to it. So apparently that will do the same thing to our lips and I'm very excited. I only have heard really good things about this product and I'm really excited to try it. I'm gonna let you know in my Instagram what I think about it, but I'm pretty sure I like it because like Andrea, that's a channel in English. Also Andrea Milano, I think is her name. She got it from Sephora in the sale and she said that she really liked it. So if she likes it, I like it. We have similar skin type and we have similar taste in makeup, so I'm very excited about this. The packaging is super cute. I would rather this to be like a lipstick shape, but this works too. Sometimes with my long nails it will be hard for me to grab the actual product, but again I will try to do just my finger and rub it a little bit. But it sounds like very good product. It's so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you Fresh for sending me this. Now let's move on with Ipsy. Alright, so let's open the small one first and let's see what is inside. I'm so excited. I haven't seen anything about this yet, so let's see. Okay, so this is the bag for the month of May and guys, I don't like this. I don't like this. It's kind of like, I don't like the material of this. I already have an issue with kind of like the same material with Morphe, with a set of brushes that they had, and I didn't really like this. But anyways, I don't use these bags often, so I can just forget about the bag. And here's the thing of the month. We have 5 products in here and let's see what we got. The product that I see is this one by the brand, what is this in here? Kaleido Cosmetics, and this is a blush. So let's see how it looks like. I never have seen this brand before or heard about it, but what it says in here is cruelty free, so that's pretty cool. And this is the blush. It has a little mirror too, so let's see how it looks in the finger. This is how it looks in the finger, and let me show you in my skin. And this is how it looks in the skin. It's a pretty color. I kind of like this kind of color and this size is just perfect. I think it's very pretty. The next item is a shadow color. This is a loose pigment and this is by the brand Naked Cosmetics. This color is in the shade number 6. It's a very dark color. I don't really use this type of products often, but I will give you a try. The next product is this little guy here, and this is by the brand Neogen Dermatology. It's a Canadian clay pore cleanser. And let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks inside. It's a pretty good amount. Maybe I can use this like twice, and I will let you know what I think about this. I need to catch up a little bit with those try-ons with you guys, but I will definitely try to be my best on it. But sometimes using it twice is not enough for a skincare product, but it sometimes gives you a good idea, but doesn't give you like a good reaction, a good impression, like a full impression of a product. Maybe the first impression and you kind of like, okay, I'm curious, so let me get the bigger side. But I mean, sometimes it's not enough. And the next product is this by Ipsy. I'm very excited. I really like Ipsy. And this seems like it's a hydration gel. So this is kind of like a moisturizer. And it's sealed. Very happy because I don't know why sometimes things don't come sealed and you're like, ah! But it's a gel like. I don't feel anything. Oh my God, it's so good. This is nice. And last but not least, a full-size product. This is an OFRA lipstick. And let me see what it says about this. It's an OFRA Cosmetic Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Mocha. So this is the shade Mocha. Wow. This is how it looks like. And let me show you in my arm. Wow, it's a very pretty color. I like this color. I already have similar colors to this, but I still will try and use it in my lips. It's a very pretty color. This is the type of colors that I really like. It's a full size. Oh my God, this is really good. The 5 products, I'm really excited about all of them. I'm very excited about the lipstick. I'm very excited about the clay. I'm very excited about the gel hydrating formula of this thing. The Pure Hydrating Gel from Ipsy. And I'm also very excited about the blush. But the pigment, not too much. I don't really use pigments often, so that's the only item. Besides that, I'm very excited with this bag. It's really good. Alright, now let's move on with the next one, which is the big bag. This is $25 subscription box. The other one was $10. So when we open it up, this is how it looks like. And it says here, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Wow, that's such a nice theme to say in a box. Very cute. So these are the products that we have here. Let's open it up a little bit and see what it says. It's a little confusing. Yeah, it has one side for every product. So let's start from the first item that I see here, and I already have used this. This is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets Oxygenating Deep Cleanser Mask. I love these 3 guys. I mean, they are the same obviously, but I love this mask. It's so good. I actually already used it more than once, and I put a post on my Instagram about it. I love it. So this is super good to receive it in a box because Glam Glow is a really good brand. And it's worth $27. That's huge. Next item that I see here is this product from the brand Gensa. This is a toner up primer. So this is a primer with essential glow. And this is worth $35. So let me see how this looks like. I really like the component of it. It's very pretty. Let's see how it's inside. I don't like that this thing didn't have any covers, but it seems to be very clean, at least to my opinion. And it has a little bit of white font to it, but if you move a little bit around, it goes off. And yes, it gives a little glow to the skin. And it smells like makeup, but not too bad. Not like a very... It smells like a lotion, like, I don't know, it smells weird. I will try this and guys let you know, but this is a full size, so this is perfect. So the next product we have here is by the brand La Mas. I think that's how you say it. This is a color pencil and this is worth $21 each. I don't know why they are stick together, but okay. Apparently is each one $21. So one is in the color Media and the other one is in the color Lost. Okay, so this is Media this nice color here. It's medium, and let me show you Lost. And the one in the top is Lost. They look similar, but Lost is more vibrant than the other one. They're very pretty. I like the formula. They're very soft and nice. So I will be using this and let you know, guys, what I think. Wow, the next item, an eyeshadow from the brand Wonder. So let's see. This is worth $25. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. This is awesome. It has this nice kind of like silver green, this blue, this golden shade. This is so beautiful. I'm not gonna put my finger on it because I think I'm gonna pass it on to somebody who will appreciate this more. I don't even know how to pronounce this brand. This is a nudist tinted blur stick. So this is the brand Nudist Sticks. It's in the shade 3, light 3, and the value is $30. So how this works? Okay, so you twist it like this. Let me see the color. It seems right for me. Let me do it here. Maybe a little too peachy for me. It's right here. So maybe a little too peachy for me, but maybe to cover some imperfection of the skin will work. I will give this a try, even though $30 seems a bit too expensive. Let's do the value of the bots. And the lips coloring pencil was 21 each, so it's 42. Then we have the Wonder Beauty palette that it was $25. Then we have the Nudist, the thin blur stick that it was $30. And then we have also the primer that is $35. And we also have the Glam Glow, the bubble sheets that are $27. And that's a total of $159. $159, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it's $159. So you pay $25, you get almost 5 times the value in your bag. I mean, it sounds good to me. I mean, guys, do I think this bag is better than BoxyCharm? No. Do I like it? Yes. Do I think it's better than the small one? It's a different view. It's a different way to receive makeup. This is a full-size makeup box. The other one is kind of like, sometimes we give you a little bit more, giving you one full size. Like today, they gave us an OFRA one. But, I mean, it's still to try. Do I think I should keep both? I will receive another month and see if I'm gonna keep both. If it Ipsy Glam Bag Plus doesn't get better next month, I probably just gonna stick to the $10 one, or maybe I just keep both. I don't know. I will make the decision later. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please, if you did, give a big thumbs up to this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!